Ever find yourself nodding along in a debate thinking, that makes sense, but wait, why? What if AI could become your ultimate debate partner, always asking, what's the evidence? Or could there be another angle? This breakthrough research is about training AI not just to answer questions, but to ask better ones, and it's reshaping how we think about critical reasoning. Let's dive into how this works. Here's the catch. Most AI assistants are built to deliver answers, not challenge assumptions. This study flips the script. Instead of spitting out facts, researchers developed a system where AI generates questions, tough, probing ones that force deeper analysis. It's like a two-part team. One AI crafts questions, while another evaluates which ones expose the weakest links in an argument. The first model, the questioner, acts like a brainstorming partner. It scans a debate and churns out dozens of potential questions. What data supports this claim? Are there alternative explanations? Then the evaluator steps in, acting as a sharp-eyed editor. It filters those questions, selecting the top 3 that most effectively target logical gaps. It's like having a debate duo that's always asking, what's the hidden assumption here? But how did they teach AI to do this? The team trained their models on real political debates, where arguments often rely on predictable patterns, like, this is true because it's popular, or if X happens, Y must follow. These are called argumentation schemes, and the AI learned to recognize them. For example, if someone argues, we should trust this policy because it's popular, the AI might ask, is popularity a reliable measure of effectiveness? Here's the innovation. They didn't use massive, resource-heavy models. Instead, they worked with smaller, open-source systems, like the ones you could run on your own computer. And it worked. Their setup ranked first in a global competition, proving that even lightweight AI can amplify critical thinking. The results were revealing. When the AI used argumentation schemes to guide question creation, the questions became sharper. But there was a balance. Too much structure limited creativity, while too little made questions too vague. They also found that generating 4 questions per prompt struck the sweet spot, enough to explore multiple angles without overwhelming the user. Why does this matter? Imagine tools that help students dissect complex topics, journalists fact-check claims in real time, or everyday users spot misinformation. Plus, since the models are small, they can run locally, protecting your data privacy. This isn't about AI knowing the answer. It's about training our brains to ask the right questions. So what's next? The researchers admit there's still growth ahead, but this study shows how AI can become a powerful ally in fighting flawed reasoning. The next time you hear an argument, ask yourself, what questions would an AI raise? Because in a world of facts, the best tool might not be a calculator, it's curiosity. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore how AI is changing the way we think, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science of smart tech. What's one question you wish AI could help you ask? Let me know in the comments.